Before you pull the trigger on buying Scala hosting, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know. It's easy to jump in without doing your research, but with so many web hosting options out there, you want to be sure you're making the right choice for your site. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly what makes Scala hosting stand out from the competition, and if it's the right fit for you. First off, Scala hosting is known for its managed VPS hosting, and let me tell you, their technology is built to make hosting simpler and more efficient. Unlike some competitors like SiteGround or Bluehost, who may focus on shared hosting or traditional plans, Scala hosting offers a more advanced level of control and customization through its managed VPS solutions. This means you can scale your hosting as your website grows, without the limitations that come with cheaper shared hosting. Next thing, let's talk about performance. The performance of a hosting provider can make or break your site, and Scala hosting really delivers on speed. Unlike the cookie-cutter plans offered by some other providers, Scala hosting provides SSD-based hosting across its plans, which means faster load times. They even have their own cloud VPS service that offers more flexibility and resources, giving you more control over performance compared to shared hosting. The fourth thing is customer support. With web hosting, you want to know you can count on fast, knowledgeable support when things go wrong. Scala hosting support is something they pride themselves on. In my experience, when comparing them to other providers like HostGator or GoDaddy, Scala Hosting's team seems more responsive and more in tune with solving issues quickly, whether it's a server-side problem or a technical question about your hosting. Another important factor to consider is security. With cyber threats constantly on the rise, security should be a priority. Scala Hosting includes free SSL certificates with every plan, which helps protect your site and your users' data. On top of that, they provide daily backups and offer robust DDoS protection to keep your site secure from attacks, a feature that sets them apart from more budget-oriented providers like Namecheap. Now, moving on to pricing. Scala Hosting's plans are competitively priced when compared to other managed VPS providers. But here's the catch. While it might seem like they're a bit pricier than the entry-level options from competitors like A2 Hosting or InMotion Hosting, you're getting more value for your money. The additional features like custom control panels, automated backups, and enhanced security make the price worth it, especially for those looking to get the most out of their hosting. Another thing to consider is their custom-built control panel, which is exclusive to Scala Hosting. If you've ever used cPanel, you know it's the standard, but Scala Hosting's custom solution gives you a more intuitive interface with advanced features that make managing your server simpler. It's especially helpful for those new to VPS hosting or looking for more streamlined options than the typical cPanel experience. The last thing to keep in mind is scalability. If you're just starting out with a personal blog or small website, you might not need a VPS right away. But Scala Hosting gives you a clear upgrade path as your site grows. Their easy migration from shared hosting to VPS makes scaling a breeze, unlike some companies where you'd have to migrate manually or face higher fees when upgrading. So if you're ready to try Scala Hosting, the best offer for the product is linked in the description below, and you can even try it for free. Click that first link, and you'll not only get the best deal available, but you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits. Don't wait. Check it out now, and see why so many are making the switch to Scala Hosting.